Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix stuck power button on JBL headphones. So basically, as you can see, I have my JBL headphones, and if this button is stuck, what I'll need to have is, let's say, a screwdriver set, or just maybe something sharp, or I don't know what you can use, is just to pry it out a little bit. So what we'll need to do is use the small item and just try it and pry it out like this, and you'll need to pry it out like that. And if that doesn't help, what you'll need to do is basically disassemble the headphones. So you will need to take out and disassemble this side of the headphones where you see the power button. So the simple way is just to pry it out and check if that works. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.